All right, it is Saturday, August 13th. We are back for an update. Here's our front wall. You can see we're all sheetrocked in here. Got mud and tape on most of the seams. Let's head back into the adjusting area. Down the hall. They got the fans on to get everything drying as quickly as possible. Break room. Dr. J's office, who they got the beginning of the, so they got the sliding door here. Got the window up. Massage room. Laundry area. Bathroom. Oh, and we're gonna have attic access up there. We have to finish leading this wall here, and hopefully that'll be done next week. And there is a tour. We already have our flooring installer booked, well, reserved. Obviously we got to get back to him to figure out when we can get him in here. It's coming along.